Hello, let's read the question. So the question says, we need to find the focal length of the lens, and the power of lens is given as negative of 2.0 diopter, and we need to find what type of lens is this. Now let's write what we have given in this question. So we have given power of lens, and power of lens is denoted by capital P, and the value is negative of 2.0 diopter. Now what we need to find? We need to find the focal length. So we need to find focal length, and that is represented by small f, and we need to find the type of the lens. Now using the formula that is the relationship between, gives the relationship between P and F, and that is the formula of power, that is P is equal to 1 by F. Now we need to find the value of F, so we gonna rearrange this. So F will be equal to 1 upon P. Now substituting the value of P here, so we get 1 upon minus 2. 2.0 can be written as just 2. So after solving this, we get minus 0.5 and focal length, and that is unit is meter. So we can write that focal length of the lens is minus 0.5 meter, or we can write this as minus 50 centimeter also, or minus 50 centimeter. Now as the focal length is given as negative, so negative sign indicates that this negative sign indicates that the lens is concave lens, that lens is concave lens. Why is so? Or concave lens, also known as what lens? That is diverging lens. So we are gonna write this both concave lens or diverging lens. Now how this comes? So for concave lens, this is the concave lens. Now center is the principal axis, that is the imaginary line. Center of the lens is optical distance. This is the optical point. So the optical center of the lens is taken as to be origin, that is point O. Now the direction towards the object, that is object is usually at left. So consider that is in negative. So object distance will always be in negative. So if a ray is coming parallel to this principal axis, after refraction, it will diverge and it will appears to comes to meet at point focus. So in both sides, for lens, the focus is there. So for concave lens, the focal length is left direction. That means focal length always in negative. So the direction towards the object is usually left. So we're gonna take that negative sign, and the direction towards the image, and that is usually at right. So for right, we're gonna take that as positive. So we concluded that for focal length in lens, if that is positive, we consider that is convex lens, because that converges the light on the right side. And for focal length in negative, that means the lens is concave lens, because it diverges the light and the focal point is on the left side. So this is the required solution. Hope you find the video useful. Thank you.